It's a grassy pitch. It's a very unlike a subcontinent track, this, and it's an 11 a.m. start also, so it's good. Levitt is on strike to Shine Shah Afridi. That's gone for 4. First ball out of the crease, works it into the
plenty of line and length.
Yeah, that's into the gap. It's a fast outfield. That's another boundary. Oh, that is smashed for 4. Didn't really have to move a great deal, and once again an early indication it's going to be a featherbed out there. Oh, that's hit so hard. Absolutely nailed it over mid-wicket.
Ramiz, we are talking to you.
Oh, that's collared for 6. Made a great sound. It's gone all the way. What a pickup shot. Shine Afridi under the cosh. She's feeling the pressure. The length balls are not really working. That's gone up in the air. Who's calling for this? Right, keeper. Once it takes it. Really good snap that. He really had to run and make sure that the calling was great. There were 3-4 other fielders converging on that catch. Top edged it. O'Dowd is done.
I love the way that Usman Khan here has just conducted play and called it out. He's come a long way here, probably some 40 metres. Called out the players to take that catch. That's a beauty. The first of this T20 World Cup, and it's that of Max O'Dowd, their premium player, out for 5.
That's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? Hell, Babar Azam. And takes it. That's fantastic piece of fielding. 2 fielders. Got it covered. Got it done. This is massive. This is athleticism at its very best. Great communication between the 2 fielders. Shine Shah Afridi, they're indicating to the umpire.
Franchise cricket and world cricket.
Go through to the catch.
Richard Illingworth.
Okay. That's out. Out for the big screen, please.
Well, to Babar's credit, not only did he hang on to the ball, but
Babar's again doesn't break his stride length, then consistently just takes a little look down at his feet, and then look at the reaction. You see how pumped he is right there, and what that catch means for Pakistan.
big shot, straight hit for 4. That's lovely piece of footwork.
Salman Mirza in his first ICC Men's T20 World Cup.
Much better now.
Drilled down the ground for 4. It's onto that so quickly was Ackerman. Gap found on the offside, put away for 4. Good over for Netherlands, 14 from the over, 50 up. The end of 6 overs. Clemens. Swing hard, and that will go for 4. That's Ackerman for you.
Very good.
What a gap found. Experience comes to the fore from Colin Ackerman.
So the ball goes very, very sharply. Bowled. Cleaned him up. That's a beautiful delivery. Came in sharply. He's a wicket taker, Abrarul Haq.
First T20 World Cup appearance for Abra Ahmed, and have a look at this. Ackerman playing so well right up until that moment, but as we said, he keeps the batter guessing. Do I play back? Do I play forward? Ackerman so disappointed. Pakistan will be so aware of the threat that he poses. That is unnecessary. Just when you've picked up a wicket, you leak some runs.
His lens.
Hit in the air, but the gap found beautifully by Bas de Leede. Welcome runs for the Netherlands team.
Ayub
hasn't bowled yet. Sweep, beautifully played. There's a fielder there, but no chance. No chance. Much needed boundary for Netherlands. I mean, your premium slog, sweep. There's a fielder there, but to no avail. The maximum. 100 up as well for Netherlands. Just 3 wickets down. We're into 13th over. What a shot. There's a fielder there, but no chance. It was hit firmly.
And that's out. Nawaz has a happy knack of taking wickets because his variation and pace is subtle and superb. And I was just saying, Waz, this was a key moment for Pakistan to start to interject their own power and presence in this game.
Much needed wicket, slightly quicker, bit of turn. He went across, got the top edge and went straight to the safest fielders in Pakistan side. Babar Azam, second wicket for Nawaz. Look at the excitement, and he knows the importance of that wicket. Good innings from Bastalad at 30.
Punished through the offside. That's a beautiful shot there from Scott Edwards. He's finding his rhythm. He's 32 off 22 deliveries. Gets away with it. Wants to go over the top of extra cover, but gets a little outside edge on it. Races away.
Certain terms in this innings. There he goes big. Is it big enough? That's taken. Catch. Sabzada Farhan takes the catch. The catching has been really special from Pakistan. The high 90s, Abrar, in terms of accuracy and control, variation. Gone, soft dismissal. Just scooping the ball at short cover. Saim Ayub is the latest pin-up boy in T20 cricket as an all-rounder. Hawks the top spot as the #1 all-rounder in T20 eyes, and here's a demonstration of why so good these days with the ball.
Runs the fingers over, bit of a leg cutter, but most importantly, very, very slow. The new batter has changed. We were thinking 175.
Another call for catch it. This should be taken as well, easily held. Mohammad Nawaz there, making no dramas. He connects, that's gone up in the air. Salman Ali Agha is a good fielder. He's running backwards, takes an excellent catch. Wonderful pair of hands, great anticipation. He called it, and Pakistan have been red hot with catching today.
Gets for 13.
Great shot, 4 runs, beautifully directed through the offside. The balance was on the back foot and absolutely creamed it. That's gone up in the air. Another catch. Will it be taken? And it's taken. Mohammad Nawaz there doing a fabulous job. In fact, it's Farhan who called correctly that another fielder just next to him. And he's gone, caught behind. Nobody really appealed except for the keeper. And it's all over for Netherlands. They promised a lot, and in the end they've got runs on the board, but maybe 20 or 30 runs light.